Give it your all. Don't stop now. Full wing nanga.
Come on, Fetty, you're right there. $10,000.
All right, Fetty, good morning. I hope that today you were like, geez, it would be a nice day to have an extra $10,000 cash.
Ow. Yeah, it just sat on my hand.
It's not even cash, it's a check. Pay to the order of Fetty Potter, 2,919. $10,000.
I'm waiting for the day your handwriting gets better.
Better? Could it get any better? My handwriting is beautiful. Today, we're going to see if you can break open a safe. And inside that safe is a very special item.
$10,000? Cash?
La, 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 la. And when you recover that item, you will get, if it's within 20 minutes, you will get the ultimate prize. Look at his face. Why are you making that face? Of $10,000 cash.
He thinks this one's too easy. No,
I think it's too easy as well. I think this one is just a giveaway. I may as well just have like, hey, Fetty, good morning. Here's some $10,000 bonus. Well done.
Well, we do got a bunch of tools.
Yeah.
There's a catch, though. There's a catch.
He wants you to only hit the safe 2 times with each tool. 2 times. And then the rest of the time, you have your skateboard, and that is all you can use. Yes, yes, Uzi Walker?
I missed the challenge. What is it?
He has to break open a safe. There's a special item inside. If he recovers it within 20 minutes time period, boom, $10,000 cash. Let's go!
Okay. Red Dead, you turn it until it clicks. It's not a turn. Every way.
It's an electric one.
I don't think that's how it works.
I mean, whatever, it is what it is.
Like the numbers? There's only like 4,000 or 5,000 possibilities. You just try one.
There's only
3?
400 million combinations.
Oh yeah, so there's...
But you only got 20 minutes, so you could probably do that.
So I was thinking you get 2 major hits per, for example, giant, destructive, heavy thing like this.
Look at that.
But let's
One hit with this, the safe is open. Pull out every object.
Okay, well,
we got this. We got that.
We have the sledgehammer of doom.
Wow, this thing is really intense.
We have an axe.
Right.
We also have a slingshot.
Probably shouldn't have bought this in the Braille house.
We have 2 baseball bats. Fetty's new favorite tennis ball launcher.
That's doing nothing to a safe.
We have
I'll put the safe
torch, which is allowed for this one.
Sure.
I'll put the safe right here, you know, and I'll pull it and just launch it.
We have a saw, dude.
A saw, dude.
Is this a metal saw?
I don't know what it is. I just thought it looked cool and bought it. And one more thing.
The one stipulation I have for this video is no damage to the Braille house. Like if you're gonna throw it off something, don't throw it off there because it will wreck the floor.
This is the final item that he has to use.
A random I mean, last time I went into the jungle, this did me no good. Stop trying to break the code. Get out of here.
It has to be through sheer destruction.
True talent. It's true.
I mean, if I literally guess the code, it's 1 in a million. That's worth something.
Get out of there! Get out of there! What? The timer has started if you keep going. What? Start the timer. What? Ah! That's it. You damaged the floor.
I'm literally just typing numbers.
The safe gave me a shinner.
Aaron, I've never been more stressed out for a video for you.
Thanks. Thanks a lot. This is where I stop them letting them plan the videos. It's the end of the new skate park. Gabe wants to build a new skate park, but with videos like this, we'll never make it there. I never know like if I want to root for Fetty or root against Fetty. You know, it's really hard to say.
Both.
Where's your skateboard? We're a skateboarding channel. Well, Fetty, what do you think?
I don't know.
Do you think you got this?
No. Well, most of them I think I got. So if I don't think I got it, then maybe I will get it.
Uh-oh.
Start! 20 minutes and counting. 1957. Oh! Yep, the safe is going bye-bye. Yeah, this is nothing. I could break this safe with my fist. Just bow, boom, straight hole.
I think the top's the weakest.
I love that he didn't try to break the code at all.
That's 2 with that.
For some reason, every time he hits it, I want to kind of like put my fingers on there to see how it is.
Talk to me, Fetty.
Well, I definitely thought the top was gonna, I don't know why I feel like this thing is so weak.
I was like, go straight to the numbers. Those are gonna break. You just open the door.
since the electronic doesn't work as good as old-fashioned stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Like electronic has more time to mess up.
19 minutes and counting. We didn't really, he has to actually get the item out.
Yeah.
I want to make that clear, because if he just makes a hole, but he can't get the item out, that's no dice. Oh no, oh no. He missed! Yes! Like I said, I don't know if I want to root for him or against him, but he fully missed. What?
I don't know what that was.
There's a keyhole. Wait. Look at he. He should have pushed the button. I mean, at this point, he should do some combinations. There's only like 485
What about the
million
bats?
combinations
So the bats are
possible.
weak.
You can use bats unlimited.
18
Unlimited
minutes.
bat power.
Unlimited
Okay.
bat power.
Might want to watch out for this
Oh
one.
wait, and for that you get 2 swings with both sides.
Oh.
What? Who's this, Gabe?
That
this, the
nearly
piece?
hit my face.
Ow! You just hit me with a piece of plastic. That's $1,000 off. Just kidding. You're going. You're golden. Yeah, just hit it right there and wedge it open. Get it right in the wang danga. Actually, now he's onto something. I don't know why he didn't do that before. Put it like that and then hit it with every object in the same place. Why do I feel like every challenge he does, I feel like I could do this. Maybe I'm just full of it. Oh no. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Wow. I almost cut straight through the wang danga.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Well, it's fully broken, so whatever's in there is not coming out ever.
You think so? Look at this. Is it like sliced right through that?
I don't know what this is gonna do. My hands are cold, yo.
The safe strikes back. What?
Oh.
10 minutes and 37 seconds? We really just used 10 minutes?
Wait, what?
Sorry, I'm not the smartest tool in the shed. It's 10:37. 16 minutes left. I was like, that was the shortest 10 minutes of my entire life. Time flies when you're having fun. Gravity, he says.
Well, I can't break the Braille house, so I can't drop it off the Braille draw.
I mean, there is the Braille house roof.
Well, I can't get up there.
He hasn't used any fire. Oh no, what is he doing? He's not really moving very fast. Daniel, watch out for my car.
Every time I don't want to park in front of this door because
Oh wow. Does this look kind of sketchy? A bunch of men trying to break into a safe. Tear it up, he says. Fetty's just moving kind of slow today. Give me 5 minutes at this safe. 5 minutes. Bare hands. I don't even need anything. I'll rip the door off with my teeth. Where's he going?
Fetty, you gotta get a move on here, man.
There you go. There you go. And you got this.
Do we have any paper
You can also
clips?
use the crossbow.
Are there any paper clips in here?
Okay, so you're getting smart with it then.
Yeah, if I could find me a paper clip, we'll be golden. Do you have a bobby pin?
Maybe.
I'm trying to pick the lock if I can't.
Hey, look at this.
Oh, you're a lifesaver. Thank you.
You just gotta.
There's no way this is gonna work. I think you've been playing way too much Red Dead Redemption. I think you've been playing way too much Skyrim. I don't even know what that is. What are you doing?
There's a ball on the end, so it's
Hit the safe with your skateboard. I can't wait to see the comments in this video. I would have done blah and lit it on fire. And all I can say is yes, I would have done the same. Expert level lockpicking. This is not Skyrim. This is real life. This is not Red Dead Redemption 2. This is real life. Actually, I think we're onto something there. Actually, you know, come to think of it, is very strategic on the braking. He needed to not break this piece because that needs to turn. Just break that piece, push that out, turn it, pop it open.
Aaron, why do I feel like you want to be in one of these challenges more than anyone?
That's what I said, I want to do one. 11 minutes and 30 seconds.
Got his phone light on.
No, oh my gosh. Wait, look at this. You could just cut through this. Pull the door off.
If I'm you, Fetty, I'm disregarding everything Aaron says and throwing it off the Braille drop.
Then you'd lose. I mean, it's instant break the ground. Maybe you could put like a nice cushion so it lands very softly and doesn't break the ground. I mean, I said he could throw it off the roof. That's much higher. There's a ladder right there.
Like mattresses.
But no, you didn't want to do that.
No one's actually cutting me!
I know. Look, I cut just a little bit. It sliced right through. What's happening? I don't think this saw is for metal. I think it's a wood saw. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, it's really coming off of there.
No!
I think it's 2 hits with the saw are up. Just kidding.
No, that's 1, 2.
Technically, I'm helping. It's okay. We'll split the money.
Deal.
He said deal. Come on, Fetty, give it your all. I think if he broke off the hinges, he could pry that side open and just rip it open from that side, no? 7 minutes and 30 seconds left. There you go. Now he's thinking like a real scientist. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, there you go. You did, you cut almost all the way through it, right? Yeah, look at that. Fetty, gosh dang it. Here, go boy. Oh yeah, now we're cooking with heat. Wow, I love the way it sparks like that. It really is cutting all the way through it.
Are we almost through?
Yeah, we're almost through. Give it your all, don't stop now, full wing danga!
$10,000, Fetty!
Oh wow, look,
he
get
just
in
cut
there,
it?
straight through.
No way.
Yeah, look.
No way!
Oh!
Wait, how much time is left?
30 seconds, just kidding. 5 minutes and 10 seconds
Oh
left.
no! Whoa!
Just let me know when.
Whoa!
I didn't say nothing.
5 minutes left?
He's technically not swinging it. Will you allow this?
I'm not saying nothing.
It's up to you.
Go ahead.
All right.
Oh man.
Come on, let's get out of the way!
Oh no!
4 minutes and 20 seconds to go.
What have you done? What have you done?
You can do it. I help. You can go. Come on,
Fetty, you're in the
Fetty.
last stretch.
Don't stop now. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. See, I told you that. Oh! 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Wow, look at that bend. Look at that bend. Don't hurt yourself, Fetty, please. It's not worth it. Oh no. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Oh wow. Oh yeah. It's Wang Denga. Oh wow. That is fully bending. Look at that.
Oh!
Come on, Superman.
How much time?
2 minutes and 55 seconds.
You gotta be able to get this thing out. You gotta be able to get it out, Fetty.
I'm not saying nothing. Ooh, it's so close. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. He broke one side, just break the other side. I helped him with the heat. I helped him with the strategy.
Get it?
Oh!
Oh no!
1 minute, 55 seconds! What's gonna happen?
Don't stop. stab yourself. Oh, it's so close.
Oh, wow. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Oh, wow. 1 minute, 30 seconds. A minute, 26
Whoa,
seconds,
something
Fetty.
came out.
The pin came out.
You're right there, Fetty. You're
The
right there.
pin came out. We're done. It's hot. It's hot. It's the heat.
How much time?
1 minute and 7 seconds. Down to the wire. Down to the wire. 58 seconds.
It's this side right here.
The pins are dropping out. You see that? I mean, that's the only thing holding that door on. 44 seconds.
Oh!
33 seconds.
Come on, Fetty, you're right there.
Please watch the tip of that. Yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I would have done it right. I would have done it right here.
Give it everything you can, Carlos Lastra. To be honest, with the flame and the cut, if he would have started with that, like he would have had 10 minutes to go at the
I
end.
don't know like all the rules. Like I don't know what's allowed.
Hole in the top. His face.
I did all the work.
That's what I thought, though. I thought like this part here had the line on it, so if you would have that angle bent it, since it was bent, it would have got open.
Yeah, I know.
It's not $10,000, but it's a little bit better. It's your own handboard. I don't actually think you broke the pickaxe. I think you improved its design. Now, it's really pickable.
What is the dust coming out?
Yeah, there's cement in there for some reason. But what would you have done? You would have made a hole and then what? Watch yourself, Gabe. He's getting into that mode. You know how he gets.
Carlos, can you get the broom?
See, I just want to point out, I don't think that would have worked. A hole? He's not even making a hole. Let's take a look at this. Oh, that must be like some fire something. He's gonna win one of these challenges. I thought 100% guaranteed he was gonna win this one today. Leave it in the comments below if you want us to do a double heel flip off the Braille drop challenge. Let us know what you guys would like to see us do next for the next $10,000 challenge. Leave it in the comments below. Check out all the other videos right there. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Boom.